Hello, class 9. Today's topic is about the United Nations. The United Nations came into existence on 24th October 1945 after a series of conferences. It was set up to save the world from the scourge of war. The world leaders tried to build a long lasting structure of peace and security in this world. It started with 51 members, and at present, there are 193 member nations in this peacekeeping body. The United Nations is composed of six principal organs. These are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the International Court of Justice, Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, and the Secretariat. The General Assembly is the main deliberative body of the United Nations. It consists of all members of the UN, each of which has a single vote, but none with veto power. Incidentally, veto is the power to stop unilaterally any official action or decision. The Assembly can debate and pass resolution on any matter covered by the United Nations Charter. It examines and approves the UN's budget. It also elects, in conjunction with the members of the Security Council, the UN Secretary General, and the judges of the International Court of Justice. Now is about Security Council. The Security Council occupies the most important position in the structure of the UN. The Security Council has 15 members. The Big Five, the USA, Russia, China, the United Kingdom, and France, are the permanent members of the Security Council with veto powers. 10 non permanent members of the Security Council are elected for 2 years by the members of the General Assembly. This organ is primarily responsible for the maintenance of international peace. It has the power to pass legally binding resolution. It can suspend or expel a member state. It also is empowered to impose economic sanctions and to take military action to maintain peace. Now is about Secretariat, located at New York, USA. The Secretary General is the Chief Administrative Officer. He is appointed for a term of 5 years by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. Its function: it conducts the business of the world body. It works under the Secretary General. Under him work 8 Assistant Secretary Generals and a host of other officials. The topic will be continued on my next class. Thank you.